Looking to boost your car's performance and fuel efficiency? In this video, we review the top 5 best fuel system cleaners of 2024. From trusted brands to budget-friendly options, we've got everything you need to keep your engine running smoothly. Watch until the end to find the perfect cleaner for your vehicle and learn why maintaining your fuel system is crucial for optimal performance. Don't miss out. Number 5. Lucas Oil 10003 Fuel Treatment is a standout fuel additive known for its versatility and effectiveness. Designed for both gasoline and diesel engines, it offers a comprehensive tune-up in a bottle by enhancing fuel efficiency and improving engine performance. This treatment excels in cleaning and lubricating fuel injectors, carburetors, and combustion chambers. Users report noticeable improvements in MPG, with one user observing a jump from 31 to 36 mpg on average. It also reduces exhaust emissions and neutralizes harmful contaminants, prolonging engine life. Additionally, it increases power and acceleration by preventing deposit buildup and optimizing fuel flow. Opting for the 1-quart version over smaller bottles saves money and reduces waste, making it a practical choice for regular users. Lucas Oil Fuel Treatment works well across various equipment types, from cars and boats to mowers and jet skis. Its thick consistency ensures excellent lubrication, while it meets federal sulfur content regulations, making it safe for modern and older engines alike. Users praise its ability to improve engine performance and maintain fuel systems. While some focus on MPG boosts, others highlight its role as an upper cylinder lubricant. Lucas Oil 10003 is a reliable, cost-effective fuel additive that enhances fuel economy, engine performance, and longevity. It's a must-have for vehicle enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Number 4. The Redline 60103 One Complete Fuel System Cleaner truly delivers on its promise to enhance engine performance and longevity. This fuel system cleaner is designed with high-temp and low-temp detergents to efficiently clean injectors, carburetors, and combustion chamber deposits. It also prevents gum and varnish formation, ensuring optimal fuel system function. What sets this product apart is its versatility and superior formulation. Unlike many competitors, Redline uses polyetheramines as a primary cleaning agent, ensuring a gradual, heat-activated process that minimizes motor oil breakdown. Continuous use shows remarkable results, with users reporting significantly reduced carbon deposits and cleaner intake systems. For instance, an S2000 owner credited Redline for maintaining pristine throttle bodies and consistent engine performance even under high RPM driving conditions. The packaging 12-pack is a practical choice for those committed to ongoing maintenance. While Redline suggests full bottle treatments every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, its formula is effective for continuous use, enabling tailored dosing for every tank full. This flexibility ensures reduced buildup and sustained engine cleanliness over time. While the customer service experience could improve, the product's effectiveness and value make it a top choice for anyone seeking to extend the life of their gas-powered vehicle. Paired with quality synthetic oil, it's a dependable solution for maintaining engine health. Number 3. The Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer is a standout product for anyone looking to improve vehicle performance and maintain engine health. As a 3-in-1 additive, it cleans, stabilizes fuel, and enhances overall engine efficiency. After just one use, many users report noticeable improvements in engine performance. For instance, a Hyundai Sonata owner experienced smoother acceleration, increased peppiness, and complete elimination of engine noise after using this cleaner. This aligns with Royal Purple's claims of increased horsepower and improved fuel economy. Additionally, its ability to reduce emissions up to 18% makes it a more environmentally conscious choice. The product's versatility is another major plus, being effective for both gasoline and diesel engines. It's also ideal for vehicles that are infrequently used, as it stabilizes fuel and prevents corrosion. Whether for long-term maintenance or addressing specific issues like carbon deposits and sluggishness, MaxClean delivers consistent results. The 20-ounce bottle provides enough for multiple treatments, though its higher price might deter some. However, The results, smoother engine performance, reduced emissions, and better fuel economy, justify the cost for those serious about vehicle upkeep. In summary, Royal Purple Max Clean is an effective, easy-to-use, and versatile product that enhances engine performance and longevity. Highly recommended for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Number 2. The Leaky Moly Proline Gasoline System Cleaner is an excellent choice for maintaining fuel system health and engine efficiency. Manufactured in Germany, this product is backed by Leaky Moly's reputation for quality and reliability. Users report noticeable improvements in engine performance after use. For example, one customer described smoother idling and acceleration in their vehicle, even if it wasn't rough before. This cleaner not only addresses existing sluggishness, but also works as a preventive measure, ensuring longer engine life by maintaining clean internals. A standout feature of this cleaner is its effectiveness across various vehicles, including direct and port-injected engines. For a direct injection engine like the Audi Q5, pairing this cleaner with complementary Leaky Moly products like Di-Jectron helps keep carbon buildup under control, ensuring optimal performance and extending engine longevity. Meanwhile, for port-injected vehicles like the Jeep JL, it works exceptionally well in preventing carbon deposits. The 500 milliliter size is sufficient for a single comprehensive treatment and regular use. Once a year, or as part of a preventative maintenance regimen, can significantly improve engine reliability and fuel efficiency. While it may seem slightly pricier than other options, its quality, versatility, and the brand's reputation make it worth the investment. Overall, Leaky Moly Proline Gasoline System Cleaner is a top-tier choice for those serious about vehicle care. Number 1. The BG44K Fuel System Cleaner is a premium choice for restoring and maintaining optimal engine performance. With its ability to treat up to 20 gallons of gasoline per can, it efficiently cleans fuel injectors, valves, and combustion chambers, making it a valuable addition to your vehicle maintenance routine. Users consistently report noticeable improvements in fuel efficiency and engine performance. One user highlighted a steady increase in mileage and more efficient fuel injector performance after use. Another longtime user commended its preventive benefits, recommending it twice a year for optimal results. The cleaner not only removes deposits, but also helps maintain clean fuel lines and injectors, contributing to prolonged engine health and better gas mileage. One of the standout features of BG44K is its compatibility with all fuel system materials and alcohol-blended fuels, ensuring safe and versatile use across various vehicle types. Additionally, its proven ability to enhance combustion quality and power output makes it ideal for drivers looking to boost performance. While the product is slightly more expensive than other options, its effectiveness justifies the price. It's an excellent choice for both preventive maintenance and addressing existing fuel system issues. For those serious about keeping their vehicles running smoothly, BG44K Fuel System Cleaner is highly recommended. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 best fuel system cleaners of 2024. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car maintenance tips, product reviews, and expert advice. Let us know in the comments which fuel system cleaner you swear by. See you in the next video.